what am I getting myself into? Hi guys, welcome to our Zen Den. My name is Valerie, and from what you can tell in the title of this video, I am gonna try to bleach my hair. I saw a Brad Mondo video a couple months ago, and I thought it would be such a good idea to try to bleach my hair and film it so you guys can see if I succeed or not. I've always had crazy colorful hair in my teen years, so that's nothing new to me, but I've never actually bleached it myself, so I'm kind of nervous to say the least. Hopefully it all goes well, and if you guys want to see how it's gonna go, just keep watching. All right, so I just put my gloves on. I'm so nervous. Why am I so nervous? I have my powder lifter. I have my developer here. I'm using a 30. And I have my little bowl and brush thingy. Okay, so I opened it up and it just brings a little scoop to measure out the powder. It says I have to use 1 full scoop of powder and then 2 of the developer. So I'm just gonna mix that real quick and show you guys what it looks like. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's like all marshmallowy. I remember doing this all the time with my friend in middle school, so the smell, even the consistency, just brings me back to middle school, which is so funny. So I already divided my hair, that's why I look a little crazy, and I'm only gonna do the bottom half of my hair. Hopefully this is enough for my hair because it's really thick and my hair is really long, so hopefully it'll be enough. So from the video from Brad, he said to start from the middle to the bottom and then leave the root area for last, just because of the heat that you produce on your scalp and everything. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm freaking out, I'm freaking out. Oh my god, wish me good luck because I am terrified of this right now. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna start from the middle to the tip of my hair. And also a must do is wear a shirt that you don't mind getting dirty. Okay, I feel like I'm stalling at this point. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, I do have virgin hair, so there's no other dye on my hair. This is my natural color, and I'm not a professional like at all, so I just want to make that very clear. I'm just a bored girl at home dyeing my hair. Alright, so I'm gonna mix it a little bit more after this amount. I still have enough for this strand, but after that I'm gonna mix some more because I underestimated how long my hair is. Hopefully this turns well, but if not, it's fine because I'm doing it purple anyways. I can just feel hairstylists looking at this video and just cringing so hard. But I'm trying, guys. I'm really trying. Okay, so I just mixed a fresh batch of product and I already opened this one and it's already getting blonde. So I'm just going to go ahead and start applying it more on the root area. It's already getting like kind of blonde. Oh my god, this is so crazy. Alright, so I'm opening this one and it looks pretty blonde, so I'm just going to do more of the root part. And then after, I guess I can take this one out soon. Okay, so I'm gonna do the last strip here before I do the tips on the last piece here. And yeah, that'll be basically it for the whole hair bleach. Okay, so I just looked at this one and it's pretty blonde also, so I'm gonna do this root part as well, and I'm just gonna wait till the other ones get blonder so I can just, you know, do the tips. And yeah, I'm just gonna wait now, and once it's all bleached and stuff, I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it came out. Hey guys, it's next day Val. So I started recording that video at like 10 at night, so I just decided to let it dry, and this is what happened. Not bad. Obviously it's very yellow gold-ish, so yeah, it's not the best, but you know what? We're just gonna work with what we have. Remember when I told you guys I saw a Brad Mondo video to help me guide me through this process? I still managed to F it up. I did not get a toner, which he very specifically tells you to get. But in my defense, I am not leaving it like this. I didn't dye it to get blonde hair. I'm gonna immediately dye it purple right now. So let's just skip that step and pretend like I did it and jump right to the purple color. Okay, so I bought this one off Amazon. It is Punky Color. I heard it was good. The reviews said it was good, so I decided to get it. It is very, very small. And I got in the shade Violet, obviously. It's so pretty. I opened it and it's so satisfying. I am so excited to get it purple again. That's like my color. Anybody who knows me knows that that's the color I always dye my hair. And it smells like bubblegum, grape-ish. So yeah, I just put on a shirt I don't really care about dirtying. I'm probably just gonna leave this for like 30 minutes, so I'm not even gonna put it in aluminum foil because I don't think it makes any difference. So my original plan is when this fades away eventually, I am going to re-bleach it. I bought a 20 volume developer, so it's gonna be less intense since I'm already super blonde. So yeah, I'm gonna let this fade eventually and I'm gonna re-dye it so it can become like very icy platinum blonde, hopefully, and then I'll just do it purple again, or I'll just leave it blonde. I don't know. My boyfriend saw it and he liked it, so maybe I'll just leave it platinum blonde. Alright, so I think I got the majority of everything. Oh, I'm so excited! It already looks so pretty. I cannot wait to wash it off. Yeah, this is like, it came out super messy and my whole neck is purple, so that's great. But it's totally worth it because it's gonna look super cute. So I'm just gonna leave it on for like 20-30 minutes and I'm gonna wash it off, let it dry, and then I'm gonna straighten it and I'll be right back. Guys, what do you guys think? I turned on the lights more because I think you guys are gonna see it a little bit better, and I put my hair up just in case because I knew you weren't gonna see it that good with my hair down. But oh my god, I'm so in love with it. And then obviously I had to do a matching look with it, which it came out so pretty. Let me know if you guys want me to do a tutorial for this because it came out so pretty. I actually want to do it more higher up now that I did it already on the bottom, but we'll see. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? I think it came out super well despite of it coming out super gold, orange, yellow. So the little tube that I used, I didn't even get to finish it. I got a little bit, I don't know if you can see it. I got less than halfway through it for my whole bottom half, and I have really long hair. It says it's supposed to last like 35 washes, so we'll see. I highly doubt that. It's like a very electric purple, which is very cool because in the sun, oh my god, in the sun it looks so good. It makes it look 20 times better in the sun. Alright, so before I exit out this video, I wanted to put you guys on some really amazing hair products. I know I don't really talk about hair in this channel a lot, but since this video is about hair, I wanted to show you guys some products that I adore, especially with the bleach that I just did to my hair. I have this amazing hair mask. It's from Eva NYC. Okay, I know it looks super dark than before, but I just wanted to lower my lights a little bit so you can actually see the color and the name well, because with my lights you can't see anything. So this is what I've been using. It's from Eva NYC and it's a therapeutical hair mask, and guys, this is amazing. I got this during like mid-quarantine because they were having a sale on Ulta and my hair was feeling super dry and hard. I don't know why. My hair is naturally really soft, so I guess just, you know, 2020 affected my hair also. I saw this. It was like $8 or $9 on sale. I got it in the mail and it's huge. I thought it was gonna be like a smaller like product, but this is huge. It's lasted me for months already. I swear, it's so good. I don't even use regular conditioner. I just use this. I leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes in the shower and then I just rinse it out, and it just like leaves my hair so soft, and it's helped me so much with dryness on my ends and all of that. So so I totally recommend this product. I'll buy this at regular price and I know it's gonna last me a long time. This is 16.9 fluid ounces, so that's a lot of product. It works really well. Okay, so the next thing that I wanted to show you guys, this I actually got it on Influencer, so thank you so much, Influencer. This is a leave-in conditioner. Hold on, I'm gonna go turn off my lights again so you guys can see it better. So this is Mizani leave-in conditioner. I adore this so much. Like I said, I got this in Influencer and the moment I tried it, I loved it. Mind you, I already use a leave-in conditioner. I usually use this one, it's a 10. This is my ride or die. I've been using it for so long, so many years, and I don't change this ever. But now that I have this one, I am definitely going back and forth with these two. But either one of these two is amazing. I'm not sure where they sell this one. Maybe Ulta, I don't know. It's so good and I love the smell. It just smells like a luxurious perfume. When it comes to hair products, I need my products to smell really good because I want it to linger on my hair for a really long time. But if you don't like hair products with a lot of perfume, then maybe skip this one. I know this one smells a little bit cleaner, so definitely try this one out if you haven't already. This one just smells like shampoo, just super clean smelling shampoo. Thank you guys so much for coming on this little journey with me. This is definitely a first for my channel, so it was very cool to do something different that wasn't makeup related. Let me know if you want to see more content like this. Even though I'm like not that good at hair stuff, this is like the best it's gonna get. Maybe I can do another color. I've been wanting to do teal or pink maybe, so maybe I can do like all three colors, or just I'll show you when I dye my other colors. So let me know about that. Don't forget to like this video if you like it and leave me a comment. That'll help me out so much with the algorithm. And don't forget to subscribe if you like watching this video. I mostly do makeup, but if you guys want me to do more hair related stuff, definitely let me know and I'll try my best to get that done. Even though I'm not that great with hair, this is the best it'll probably get. But maybe I can show you how I iron my hair or how I curl my hair. Just let me know. I'm gonna leave my social media handles above so you guys can go follow me. I'm definitely gonna post pictures of my hair and my makeup look there, so definitely check me out. But yeah, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for being here and I will see you on the next one.